Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a chatbot to your Google site using the updated 2026 layout. It's really simple as long as your chatbot platform gives you an embed code. First, choose a chatbot provider like Tidio, Crisp, Chatbase, ManyChat, or Collect.Chat. After setting up your bot, go to the Install or Embed section and copy the HTML script they give you. Now open your Google site and go to the page where you want the chatbot to appear. Click Insert, then Embed, and open the Embed Code tab. Paste your chatbot script, click Next, and insert it into your page. Most chatbots appear automatically as a floating bubble in the bottom right corner, but if you get a frame instead, you can resize or move it however you want. Click Preview to test the chatbot. You should see the chat bubble pop up and respond normally, and once you're happy with it, click Publish so it goes live for all your visitors. And that's it. That's how to add a chatbot to Google Sites for 2026. Quick, easy, and a great way to make your website more interactive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the